All right, now let's take a look at the Indonesian stock market today. On Wednesday, the Indonesian composite index was up by 1.1%. For the full report and analysis, let's turn to Jessica Wulandari, who is reporting from the Indonesian Stock Exchange.
The composite index hiked 1.17% today as energy sector gained 2.16%. It was pushed by Indica Energy shares, which hiked 7.11% today. Indica Energy posts a net profit at $452 million in 2022, or an increase of 692% compared to 2021, which was recorded at $57 million. Revenue rose 41%, which was supported by an increase in the value of coal exports by 60%. In line with revenue, mining, oil, and gas service contracts increased 37%. However, domestic coal shares shrank 15.6% to $511 million. And today, index also follow regional index, which were in positive territory. It was because Alibaba plans to separate its 6 main businesses into independent units as the Chinese technology group seeks to bolster its share price. Each unit will be led by a separate chief executive and board while embarking on their own capital raising or public offerings. Rival JD.com has taken similar steps. It has retained a controlling stake in a diverse set of businesses that have gone on to raise outside capital, with several eventually listing in Hong Kong. Meanwhile, Rupiah was slightly down to $15,088. It was due to index dollar, which climbed 0.13% on today's trading hour. Next, let's move on to the top losers and top gainers of the day. The top losers were Batavia Prosperindo Trans, Digital Media Tama Maxima, and Hazar Medical. Meanwhile, the top gainers of the day were MNC Energy Investment, MD Pictures, and Sapta Usaha Gemilang Indah. Now, let's take a look to commodity prices. Oil prices were up after Iraq was forced to halt exports of about 450,000 barrels per day from its northern Kurdistan region through Turkey after an arbitration decision confirmed Baghdad's consent was needed to ship the oil. WTI crude oil price edged up 0.7% and Brent price rose 0.5%. While gold price was down 0.5% as investors await key U.S. economic data later this week, such as the Federal Reserve pre-year inflation gauge and PCE. And tomorrow, index expected in the range of 6,730 until 6,872, while Rupiah will be moved between 15,000 until 15,200. I am Jessica, reporting for MGN.